Hey everybody, Ken Birdsall here at Sunnyside Chevrolet. Today we're going to look at this 2018 Chevy Colorado. It's a crew cab Z71 with a Centennial Edition package. This one's really cool. If you want just a little bit more in-depth look, make sure you check out that link in the top right-hand corner. This one's going to be a quick walk around. Alright, so just real quick, we're going to walk around. Again, this is a Centennial Edition, the Centennial Blue. It's got lots of cool packages. This is the Z71. It is only available, this package is only available on the Z71 Trim. So it's going to give you things like fog lights, remote start, leather wrapped steering wheel, easy liftgate, auto locking rear differential, power passenger seat, sliding rear window. That's all standard on Z71. The Centennial Edition gives you heritage bow ties, like on this front here where it says Chevrolet. You'll see it on the side here, right here. You get 18-inch sterling silver wheels. You get chrome all over. That's all part of that package. You also get these Bedliners, kind of like I can't think of the brand, but these are actually made by GM, and they have a nice sterling silver chrome coated, whatever that is, bow tie there. This has leather added to it. It has navigation added to it. Lots of nice things going on here. This is the crew cab. Check out this back. These seats will fold up, and the back will fold down if you need to. You have that power, or not power sliding, it's manual sliding in the back there with defogger. This one has a spray and bed liner. That is part of the heritage package as well. Let you check out the back. Trailering hitch added. Easy lift gate. It's part of the Z71 Trim. And again, that spray and bed liner is part of the Centennial Edition package. Check it out from over here. Yes, crew cab. Short bed to it. Check it out on this side too. Love the dash. Good design. It's got an 8-inch MyLink radio with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and again, navigation was added to it. Power locks, windows, mirrors, power adjusting seat for driver and passenger. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Color driver information center up top. You got cruise control, Bluetooth hands-free, MyLink radio there. Heated seats, almost forgot about that. And this one's right here at Sunnyside Chevrolet. So if you want to come check it out and you're in Northeast Ohio, give me a call at 440-365-7311. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate it if you guys would even share this. If you have any questions, give me a shout, 440-365-7311. Thanks for stopping by, guys. You have a good day.